You've probably asked yourself this question before. Should I do calisthenics or go to the gym? One uses your own body weight. The other uses iron. Both build muscle. Both burn fat. But which one actually gets you faster, long-term results? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is better for your goals, your body, and your lifestyle. No fluff, just science, results, and experience. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the key differences between calisthenics and gym training, which builds more muscle, which helps you burn fat faster, and how to choose what's right for you. So grab your water bottle, because by the end, you'll know how to train smarter, not harder. Let's start simple. Calisthenics is all about using your body weight to build strength. Think push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, planks, and muscle-ups. You can train almost anywhere, a park, your room, or even your rooftop. The gym, on the other hand, revolves around external resistance, weights, dumbbells, cables, and machines that isolate each muscle. You walk in, pick your target muscle, choose the weight, and go. So, one uses your body, the other uses equipment. But the real question is, which one transforms your body faster? When it comes to building muscle, one concept rules them all: progressive overload. That simply means you need to constantly increase resistance to challenge your muscles. In the gym, that's easy. You just add more plates. But in calisthenics, you can't exactly add weight easily. So, you increase difficulty by changing angles, leverage, or movement control. For example, start with knee push-ups to regular push-ups, decline to one-arm push-ups, or pull-ups to weighted pull-ups to muscle-ups. Both methods work, but the gym offers more control over resistance, especially for beginners and bodybuilders aiming for hypertrophy. If your goal is maximum muscle size, the gym has a slight edge. But if your goal is functional lean strength with aesthetics and control, calisthenics wins every time. Here's where calisthenics shines: functional strength. Calisthenics builds real-world power, the kind of control that helps in every movement, climbing, running, balancing, and moving your own body effortlessly. You're not just training muscles, you're training your nervous system to coordinate multiple muscle groups together. That's why advanced athletes can perform insane moves like planches, levers, and human flags. In contrast, the gym isolates muscles. You'll get stronger in specific lifts, like bench press or squats, but not necessarily in overall body control. So if you want to feel powerful in daily life, not just inside the gym, calisthenics gives you that edge. Now, let's talk fat loss, something everyone wants. Here's the truth. Fat loss depends on calorie burn and consistency, not the method. Both gym workouts and calisthenics can burn fat effectively if you're in a calorie deficit. However, calisthenics often involve compound movements, exercises that use multiple muscles at once. That means your body burns more energy per session. Movements like burpees, mountain climbers, or jump squats turn your workouts into a mini cardio plus strength combo. Meanwhile, gym workouts can be more static. You lift, rest, lift again, unless you do circuits or supersets. So if your main goal is to lose fat while toning up, calisthenics might be more efficient, especially if you pair it with a clean diet. Here's a secret many lifters ignore: mobility matters. Calisthenics naturally improves your joint strength and flexibility because you're constantly using your full range of motion. Every movement demands balance and coordination. Gym training, especially if done wrong, can cause muscle imbalances or joint stiffness, like tight shoulders or lower back pain. But that doesn't mean the gym is unsafe. With proper form, mobility work, and warm-ups, both are perfectly safe. Still, calisthenics keeps your body naturally aligned. It's hard to overtrain one muscle group when your own body is the weight. Let's be honest, convenience matters. Calisthenics wins here, hands down. You can train anytime, anywhere, with zero equipment. No gym fees, no commute, no waiting for a machine. All you need is motivation and maybe a pull-up bar. On the flip side, gym training offers structure and tools that make progression easier to track, especially for those who need accountability or love specific muscle targeting. So, if you're on a budget or traveling, calisthenics is unbeatable. But if you enjoy routine and lifting heavy, the gym is worth it. Here's the truth most people ignore. It's not calisthenics versus gym. It's about you. If you're skinny and want to bulk up fast, gym might give you results quicker. If you're overweight and want to burn fat plus get functional, calisthenics is your friend. If you want aesthetics, mobility, and control, combine both. Because many elite athletes actually mix both worlds, using calisthenics for control and gym for overload. Because the body doesn't care where resistance comes from, only that it's challenged consistently. The biggest mistake people make is staying in their comfort zone. If you want real transformation, in calisthenics, track progress by increasing reps, perfecting form, and mastering new skills. In the gym, track your weights, sets, and intensity. The formula is the same. Consistency plus overload equals progress. Remember, the human body doesn't care about your environment. It only responds to challenge and recovery. All right, quick reality check. No matter what you choose, these mistakes kill your progress faster than anything else. 1. Training without a plan. Random workouts equal random results. Whether you're doing pull-ups or bench press, follow a structured plan. 2. Ignoring nutrition. You can't out-train a bad diet. Eat enough protein, stay hydrated, and maintain a calorie balance. 3. Ego lifting. More weight doesn't mean more gains if your form sucks. Control over numbers. 4. Skipping rest. Muscles grow when you recover, not when you train. And 5. Comparing yourself to others. Everyone's journey is unique. Focus on your progress, one rep at a time. Here's the ultimate truth. You don't have to pick sides. The best athletes today blend calisthenics and gym for maximum results. A perfect hybrid routine could look like this. Calisthenics for warm-up and core control, push-ups, pull-ups, planks. Gym training for hypertrophy, bench, squats, deadlifts. Then finish with mobility or skill work. This combination gives you the strength of a lifter, the control of a gymnast, and the aesthetics of an athlete. At the end of the day, the real difference isn't between calisthenics and gym. It's about people who stay consistent and those who quit. Your discipline builds the body, not the location, because the best workout plan is the one you'll actually stick to. So don't chase perfection, chase progress. One push-up, one set, one day at a time. So, which is better? Here's your final answer. Want aesthetic control, balance, and freedom? Go calisthenics. Want mass, structure, and quick measurable gains? Go gym. Want the best of both worlds? Combine them. Because fitness isn't about machines or movements. It's about mastery over your body and mind. You don't need the best gym or a park full of bars. You just need a reason to start and the discipline to keep going. So what's it going to be? Your body weight or the barbell? Whichever you choose, stay consistent, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness science, and comment below. Are you team calisthenics or team gym? Let's settle it in the comments.